Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with JP Morgan Asset Management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest with JP Morgan Asset Management, start by researching the firm and its investment philosophy. Visit the JP Morgan Asset Management website to familiarize yourself with their services and investment options. Determine your financial goals and risk tolerance before proceeding. Open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Gather the necessary documents, including identification and financial information. Ensure that the brokerage account supports JP Morgan Asset Management investments. Once your account is set up, explore investment products they offer, such as mutual funds, ETFs, or managed portfolios. Evaluate the performance and fees associated with each investment choice. Consider speaking with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Select the investment options that align with your goals and risk profile. Complete the necessary paperwork to invest in your chosen products. Monitor your investments regularly to track performance. Stay informed about market trends and how they may impact your portfolio. Reassess your investment strategy periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your objectives. Be aware of tax implications that may arise from your investments. Finally, review your long-term financial plan to make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.